What's up, YouTube? It's me, your boy Amos. I'm back with another video. I was raised in the South, live in the South, and we always had the old country farm tables. Everybody has them down here. That's what we grew up eating around. And so that's what we're going to build today. Just something simple, quick, and like a rustic, like a little farmhouse design. Um, if you want to, if you don't know how to scale your lumber, you can check out video 2 of mine. It'll teach you how to do that. And let's go ahead and get started. All right, so the first thing you're going to need two scaled 2x4s, and I'm using 12 scale. And these are 7 inches. You're going to need two 2.5 inch 2x4s. You're going to need 4 1x12s, and these are 7 1/4 inches. And you're going to need you're going to need 4 2.5 inch scaled 4x4s. And these are going to be your legs. The first thing you do, you take your 7 inch 2x4s here, and your 2.5 inch 2x4s, and we're just going to glue them together real quick, a little bit of hot glue. Quit stringing a little bit. And glue down the other side. Basically, you're going to have a little box here, and that's what you're wanting. Now you set that to the side, and take your 1x12, your 2x12s. Oh, you could use 1x12s. I'm just going to lay them out here. Those look pretty even. And we're just going to go around this here on both sides on the 2.5 inch. And what the hell, we'll go ahead and run it up through here as well, because we can always clean it up. All the excess glue and stuff comes off really good. Just use a little straight razor or something. So we're going to set this down. We're going to try to get it close to centered as we can. And my eyeballs aren't as great as they used to be, but that looks pretty close like that. Give that a second, let it dry. Get some of this glue off my fingers. And that's another reason I like the low temperature hot glue. It sets a little bit faster, and it's not as hot. It doesn't burn you quite as bad. All right, we take our 4x4s, and we're going to glue 2 sides of it. I'm just going to stick that right there. Same thing over here. 2 sides. And once again, these are 2.5 inch 4x4s, 12 scale 4x4s. We'll see how it holds. I think it'll be alright. And if you're off on your cutting a little bit, don't worry about it. You can always trim them up. Pop this back off here. But you can always trim them when it's done. Like this one, for example. There's a blade here. A little bit of dried glue down there. It's going to cause that to not sit right. So I'm just going to come in, cut the glue out. You don't want to cut the wood. This wood is real easy to cut. I actually took a little piece of it out, but that's all right. It's just part of it. It comes with it. Hold this up in there, and there you have it. 12 scale, little miniature table, little country farmhouse style. Now you've got glue on the sides here. You can paint it. You can cut this glue off, trim it up. You can paint it. You can stain it. This one right here is a little bit off. Let's go ahead and trim that up. Just a pinch here. And there you go. Not a lot to it. Real simple, quick project. Total cost of this, counting the wood, counting everything, about 75 cents. So like I said, cheap project, something to do with your kids. Give them something to do. I think next we're going to make a couple of chairs or something to go with this, and we'll go from there and see what else we can create. Till next time, y'all take it easy.